frog clings to the female, and while the female lays the egg, the male releases sperms, and the sperms fertilizes the egg externally. So external fertilization takes place in the water, and then those eggs that are laid in the water float, and eventually they give rise to, or they hatch to form the tadpoles. The first stage of the tadpole usually have external gills. After that external gill stage, the tadpole metamorphoses into this stage that has internal gills and without foot. Okay, the head is usually dorsoventrally flattened and the tail is laterally flattened. At this stage, the tadpole usually have a two-chambered heart, and it also respires with gills. Now, after this stage, it now forms the hind limbs. Okay, it now forms the hind limbs. Now it metamorphoses into this stage that has only the hind limbs, and then this one now metamorphoses into this other stage. It metamorphoses into this stage that now has the four limbs. Okay, at this stage, while it is growing, the tail is gradually being absorbed, and then it now begins to develop lungs, and the gills gradually disappear, and eventually from this stage it now metamorphoses into the adult frog. So that's basically how the frog metamorphoses, and as adult they now have lungs instead of gills, and they also have a three-chambered they now possess a three-chambered heart instead of a two-chambered heart. So thank you very much for watching this video. I believe you must have learned something very interesting from this lecture. Please watch more of my videos from my YouTube and TikTok channels, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.